5.05, graphing and writing equations, Model B. These are the notes that you're going to need, so you can pause the video right here and copy these down. First step we need to do is identify the x-intercepts. Then we identify another point on the graph, preferably your y-intercept, mostly because your x value will be 0, and it's just easier. Then you substitute x, y, p, and q in the equation, and you solve for a. So let's do that for Model B. There we go. Okay, so here's our graph. We're going to go backwards from what we just did. We have a graph, and we've got to create the equation. So we're going to have something like y equals our a value, unknown, x plus or minus times x plus or minus. So first thing our notes say is identify our x-intercepts. There they are. We're going to take -1, and if you look at the notes, it says take the opposite of what you see. So -1, the opposite is +1, and the opposite of 2 is -2. Step 1 done. Step 2 says find another point on the graph. So I have 2 points. This is green. I have this point you can use, but there's decimals, and that's going to be very challenging to do the math. Do the y-intercept. 0 is easier to work with. Our 0 is our x value. Our -6 is our y value. So -6, and then our x is 0, and oh, I forgot to finish this off. I just realized. Should have an x there. X -2. Like that. And then 0 goes in for x, and let's go ahead and fill in everything else around that. So we have -2 plus 1. Our a is still unknown. So let's start doing the math. So we have -6 comes down, a value unknown, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 minus 2 is -2. 1 times -2 is -2 times a. And right here we have a times -2, so we need to divide both sides by -2. -6 over -2 equals 3. So our full equation, we're going to take this 3 and insert it in for a. So y equals 3 times x plus 1 times x minus